Hey guys, Michael here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send files via Bluetooth between your mobile phone and your Windows PC. So if you're using Windows 10 or 11, here's how you can send files via Bluetooth. I don't want to waste your time. Let's go straight right into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is prepare both device for the transfer. Let's start with the PC. On PC, you want to enable your network connection. So if you've turned on airplane mode, you want to turn it off, or even if airplane mode is turned on, you want to come to this section for your network connection and then click on Bluetooth. Now this will turn on Bluetooth at any time. You can also, if Bluetooth is turned off, right click on the Bluetooth settings here and then go to settings. This will open Bluetooth settings on your device. Here you'll be able to turn on and off the Bluetooth. If your Bluetooth is enabled, Windows also give you another option. When you click on this, you see the Bluetooth icon. Click on the Bluetooth icon and then click on Open Settings. This will take you to your Bluetooth settings quick and easy. You can also right click on the Windows icon or open settings, and once in settings, you're going to see Bluetooth and devices. Click on this and we're ready to go. You want to make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on in this section. Once turned on, you want to come here and click on Add Device. You can also click on View More in this section and you see Add Device. Still the same thing. Click on Bluetooth here and your PC will start searching for any visible Bluetooth connection. On your mobile phone, you want to drag down from notification and enable the Bluetooth. This should start showing your Bluetooth device. You can long press on the Bluetooth device to take you to Bluetooth settings or any visibility settings that isn't available. As some Android versions will require you to enable Bluetooth visibility. You find it on this page. If you don't, you can go back and then open settings and search for Bluetooth in the search settings section, or tap on connection here and you see Bluetooth here. Here you should be able to find how to enable visibility on Bluetooth. So this is for those who don't find their Bluetooth device. Now once you found your Bluetooth device, you want to click on the device and on your mobile phone, you get a connection request. Now accept connection on both devices and your Bluetooth device will be connected. Now when you come back here at any point, you see your paired Bluetooth device under other devices. You can close this, and for this video example, I'll be sharing this file to my phone and from my phone back to my PC just to show you how you can do this. Now to send files from your PC is quite easy. On the file you want to send, you can select multiple files if you want to, but the speed will be slow if the files are heavy. If you want to send files that aren't heavy, the Bluetooth method will work perfectly for this. Now, right click on the files you've selected and you see the option to send to. Click on Bluetooth device and you see your pair device. Click the device you want to send to and then click on next. This will start sending a request to the device to accept. This is one way you can do this. Now, you can also go to your Bluetooth settings. Simply right click on the Windows icon, click on settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, click on view more devices, and then scroll on that till you find send or receive files via Bluetooth. Click on this and you see the option to send file. This is also useful when you want to receive files. Now click on send files, click the device you want to send to, click on next, and then here you need to browse the file you want to send. So go to the file directory which as is on desktop, click on the files and select the files you want to send and then click on open. Click on next and this will send a request to the mobile. Accept the request and this will send the file successfully. All you need to do is go to the app that reads the file and you'll be able to see the file. Click on finish and then let's say you want to send files to your PC. Now on your mobile phone, after selecting the file or on the file page, you see the option to share the file. Before you start sending to PC, you need to go to your Bluetooth settings again. In the Bluetooth settings, you want to click on view more again, and then you want to scroll down on this page to the bottom and click on send or receive files via Bluetooth. So click on receive files and then this will start waiting for a connection. Now at the same time, when you have the Bluetooth connection enabled, you can click on the arrow, click on the Bluetooth icon and you will see receive a file. Click on this and this will start waiting for connection. Now this is when you are ready to send from your phone. On your phone, simply click on the share icon, select Bluetooth, and you see users you have connected to before. Click on the user, and this will send the file to your PC successfully. Now in the browse section here, you want to click here and select the directory you want the file to be saved. I'm going to be clicking on desktop since I want to save it to desktop, and then click on OK. Click on finish, and now when you close this, you will now see the file has been received successfully to the desktop. At any point you want to remove a Bluetooth from your device, it's quite easy to do. Simply come to Bluetooth device again. You can click on the three dots on the icon if it's listed here, and then you see remove, or you can click on view more to view more devices that are connected, and then wait for this to load. This will load all connected devices. Here you'll be able to click on the three dots and then click on remove. Click on yes, and this will remove that Bluetooth device from your PC and any connection it had. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.